Right, who wants a burger then, yeah? 30 grams of protein, 10 minutes to make, tastes bang. Come on. Right, so to start with, hold up a minute. We need to go to the unicorn store. And yes, that is actually a real thing. It might not have the same name where you are, but find your local health shop, as that's where you'll need to go for one of the ingredients for this meal. So what you want to get from here is your tempeh, and that's going to give the meal a nice bit of a protein kick to it. It tastes good, and it's going to fill out your burger at the same time. Now, I know you might think you don't have a health shop near you, but trust me, give it a quick Google and you will be able to find one. I just moved to a new city and I found one 10 minutes away, so they definitely are there. You just need to go out and look for them. So now that you're ready to start, you want to grab your pan and put it on a medium heat. Now, as this meal's already got enough fat in it, I'm not going to add any extra calories by using oil. You can if you want to, but it's definitely not needed. Either way, for this meal, the ingredients you're going to be using is your vegan burger, of course, your tempeh, the one and only holy grail of a vegan diet, your avocado, a tomato, just to make the burger a little bit more juicier for you, and of course you're going to need a bun to put it in. Now, this little gem that I found here, Nutritional Yeast, is perfect if you want to add a bit of a cheesy taste to it, and at the same time, it's packed full of protein and B12 as well. Right, now these burgers here, look at that, 18.5 grams of protein. So I think a beef burger's got about 21 grams of protein, but obviously bare saturated fats, as always with meat. But these guys, they do loads of stuff. They do mincemeat, they do kebabs, they do fish fingers, they do loads of stuff. Honestly, I'll do videos on them as well, but get to know this brand and you'll thank me later. Now when your pan's started to heat up, you want to put your burger and tempeh in it and cook them for about 4 minutes. Now, I'm pretty sure you won't be able to read the packet here as it's a little bit too small, but the point I'm trying to show is that 2 pieces of tempeh has around 7 grams worth of protein in it, and that's definitely going to give you a nice protein boost for this meal. So when you've got your burger and tempeh cooking in the pan, you want to start preparing your bun by spreading your avocado. Now, a little tip here is that when your avocado is still in its skin, cut it up a few times and it should just slide right out. Time to spread your pride and joy, get it all out, and it should come out easy if it's ripe enough. This one isn't that ripe, so it isn't going to spread that nice, but it's still coming out pretty easy. You want to spread it on both sides, make sure you've got even coverage, so when you bite into it, it's a nice even consistency. Do you know what I mean? So this is just, this avocado ain't ripe. It looked nicer than what it was, pretty much. I ain't even gonna show you, well, I'll have to show you that, but that is diabolical, man. Oh, it's not even coming out. Right, right, now, when it's been cooking for 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, give it a quick flippy. All of it. Not just a burger. Hear that? That is crisping up nice. That is crisping up nice. No oil. No need. Don't need it. And there you go. 3 to 4 more minutes and then you're pretty much good to go. Yep, so as you can see, that avocado did not spread nicely at all. But either way, it's time to chop your tomato up and spread your yeast flakes. Now you want to make sure you add your yeast flakes to the bottom side where your burger's going to go, and that's purely because your burger's going to help soak it all up, and your yeast flakes aren't going to go everywhere. Right, so when you've got your yeast on, you've got your avocado on, leave the tomatoes, they go on last, but it's been about 7 to 8 minutes, so everything should be ready, so take them off the heat, and literally, you're ready to dish up. Burger first, patty first, then your tempeh on top, then your tomato, and then just put it on top. That's it, easy as that. So there you have it, burger in less than 10 minutes, more than 30 grams of protein, and it looks pretty good as well. I mean, I know that avocado wasn't good to me, you can see it in there kind of all mushed up. Usually it looks a little bit better than that, but it's still gonna taste good. So give it a go, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.